Well then. Well, would you look at that? The light doesn't fit. That looks kind of cool if you ask me. I don't know, there's nowhere else to mount these turn signals, so let's go ahead and fully weld them up. Sorry, previous owner of this vehicle, if you're watching. Yeah, I think your paint job's gonna be a little bit dinged up after this. But hey, we got lights now, and I can just touch it up. I'm not gonna redo the whole thing. Gotta say though, the paint on this stuff, really hard to scrape through. So whoever painted this thing, good job. There we go. So now, one of our turn signal lights should mount up perfectly. We're gonna let that cool. In the meantime, we're doing literally the exact same thing on this side. Well then. And that's why I don't weld next to plastic. I don't think it went that deep, so we're good. So both of our light mounts are officially finished. At least both of our turn signal light mounts. As you can see, they're going right above the ordinary lights. So I think that's pretty cool. I think that looks pretty cool. Next thing we get to do, we move to the back. I had a realization, if we put these lights on the underside, they'll be better protected. So that's what we're going to do next. We're going to move those lights to the underside of the frame. This one's going to go to the underside. This one's going to stay above for now. I might cut it off and move it to the underside later. For now, I've only got enough light mounts for the lights I have. If I cut that one off, I won't be able to mount one of my other ones. So, anyways, we're going to start with this rear turn signal. We'll have to figure that one out. For now, I'm going to move on to the tail lights. I don't know if you can see that, but I can't get this light to mount with the current setup, so we're going to go ahead and just go straight to the tail lights. Obviously the light that's going to be here isn't going to be orange, it's going to be red, but the lights are identical, just different cover on them so that they put out a different color of light. That's why I tack weld, guys. Perfect. Alright, we're going to call it good for now. Gotta say though, this is pretty sick. So you can see the tail lights will be mounted just underneath on both sides. The rear turn signals will not be above, they'll be underneath. Or at least, hopefully. If it's too hard to mount it like that, then I'll just do it above as well. So then we have the brake light and turn signals above, but then the tail lights below. And then on the front here, we've got the 2 turn signal mounts, which should be mostly cooled. Those are pretty much cooled. So we are going to continue this at a later time. I'm going to pull the Roadkill out here because my axle for the Blue Shadow just came in the mail. I don't know which video is going to be uploaded first, but yeah, we're going to start work on that as well.